Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of This Old Mustang. Here we are, Casper's Corner. We just had a major upgrade in the Mustang. One of our biggest upgrades yet. We put a set of 410 gears in it. We're going to get it back. We're going to see what Todd says and take it for a little test drive. It should be good for 0.4 of a second acceleration wise, hopefully. I want to say one thing. These guys, over the years, they may not remember, but I remember, they've done a couple jobs for me, and they're really good. Nice guys, fair prices, excellent work. I would say to all of you out there watching, if you're within a 50-mile radius and you've got an SS Camaro or a GT Mustang or a Dodge Challenger or even a Corvette, if you don't bring it to Casper's to get it fixed, you need your head examined, because these guys are the best. So let's go inside and talk to Todd and see what's going on. Follow me. Todd!
What's up, Mark?
Hey, how you doing, man? Hey everybody, in case you didn't know, this is Todd Casper. We just gave him a plug outside. Okay. But what I said was, whether you remember or not, you've done some work for me. Yeah. Even on that red GT I had.
Yep.
And always did me right, did a good job, solid work. So I recommend anyone, like I just said, within a 50-mile radius, if you don't bring your Mustang, your Camaro, or your Corvette here to get work done, you need your head examined. Yeah. These guys are nice, they're good.
I had a guy call me from California because he seen one of our videos today. Wanted me to make him exhaust and ship it to him from California.
Is that right?
Cool, yeah.
So we're here to pick up the Mustang.
Let me get your stuff and we'll get you out of here.
All right. I have a couple quick questions.
Yeah, I got a box of old parts out there for you too.
All right.
That way you know what's going on there.
So my question regarding the gears, I'll figure the other stuff out. If I can't, I'll come back and I'll prevail upon you to figure it out. The look on your face says, I don't want to figure out why that thing got started.
I'll figure it out.
When you say it's missing, it was missing. You put the spark plug and the coil plug.
One coil pack.
Yeah, coil pack.
Yeah, so you have one new coil pack with a bunch of old ones.
Right, so you're saying the other 7.
The other ones are trying to keep up with the new one, and I'd recommend that you do them all. You recommend usually do them all in a set. So, but we put the one on that one time just to get you by. But down the line, I would do the rest of the coils and the rest of the plugs. I'll warranty out that one coil, so they're all new.
So that's the next thing on the list. Now, regarding the gears.
Yes.
I've done this twice before. I went from 308 to 373s in a 1970 GTO. Didn't break them in, didn't change the oil, didn't do anything. It drove great for years.
Yep.
Okay. The gears in the 98 GT Mustang didn't matter because they came out of a Cobra. They were already broken in.
Okay.
What do I need to know? Do they need to be broken in?
It's not necessarily need to be broken in, but you're coming into cold weather. So what you do want to do is when you start going out, kind of warm the gears up. Don't just jump in that car and just start banging gears, because everything's brittle in the cold. So if you know you're going to go out and get on it, just like if we go to the racetrack, we'll jack the cars up, we'll let them run, warm the gears up before we go out and make a pass.
So we know we got to drive 15 minutes, stop, let it cool down, 50 for 500 miles.
Like 2 or 3 minutes. Just get the gear fluid nice and warm, and then you're.
Do we need to change that gear fluid in 500 miles?
Yeah, 30,000.
So all that stuff on YouTube is bunk.
Yeah, it's not bunk, but it's over maintenance, but you'll be fine. We do this all the time.
Thanks for the great deal.
All right.
And I got to say, guys, he did us right. And
so now don't be upset if it's a little bit slower though.
How's it going to be slower?
Because you're going to spin.
Well,
you got to get at the hook now.
Well, we're coming into the cold weather, so I don't want to get warm weather street slicks.
No, but it's going to want to spin faster than it normally does because the gear ratio is different.
I know all about that.
Yeah. But from a second gear roll, it should feel good.
Those back tires, their days are numbered. I'm going to put a setup. What do you recommend? Mickey Thompson or Nittos?
If you're gonna, you don't drive every day, right?
No. Now I have the Lexus.
Yeah, I like the Mickey Thompsons.
Mickey Thompsons?
Yeah.
You can get them from the only place it's got is American Muscle.
Yeah, we can get them. So if you need them, I can get
Give
them.
you a call?
Call me. I can get anything you guys need.
All right.
So, all right, Mark. You got it. Enjoy. And I'll see you.
So this is going to make me faster than Rich with the turbo 4-cylinder yellow Mustang.
Apparently, he's got some problems. He's calling a lot of people out. And he's not showing up. So.
What do you mean? What? Reading the comments?
No, on somebody else I know. He called him out and he never showed up.
That was Craig.
Yeah, Singafoos, yeah.
Yeah, Craig Singafoos.
Yeah, called him out, never showed up. I think he's barking up the wrong tree on that one.
Well, Craig's Camaro. It's got a blower on it, doesn't it?
It's a 10-second piece.
Yeah.
So,
but we don't want to go that fast. No. Our ultimate goal was 1280.
I don't think you're too far off of it. If not, we'll get you there.
Thanks, man.
All
right, we'll see you later. This old Mustang. We're going to go out and check it out and see if it runs. All right. We have Houston. This is Apollo 11. We have ignition. We're going to have to replace, so basically what he said is we're going to have to replace 7 spark plugs and coil packs. Let's go around the back. I don't want to pull out that way because our super low chin spoiler is going to scrape. And not for nothing, I got to take these off. It's too damn dark. Let's not worry about trying to look cool. Okay, everything feels the same right now. You don't feel any difference?
It sounds different.
It sounds different.
It definitely sounds different.
How does it sound different?
It's a lot lower.
Alright, let's take it easy going out because this is a low drop and we're going to scrape our...
We also said to like warm it up for like 15 minutes before.
Yeah, so we'll take a leisurely drive. Let's put the heater on. Alright, here we go. I liked Todd's optimism there. I said, we only want to run 1280s. He goes, I don't think you're too far off from that right now. That is exactly what he said, wasn't it?
Exactly.
With the right tires. It's gonna be slower because you're spinning tires. Oh my God. We're spinning tires, we're going slower. That's terrible. Actually, we're not. We're just spinning tires. If we leave the traction control on, hopefully we can get grip. Okay, righty then. Guess we gotta get used to this a little bit, huh? That was a little unexpected, wasn't it?
That was, maybe he was right about the tires.
Okay, so we're only tacking 2,000 RPMs. I don't know if it's got a miss. I just don't think she's firing really sharp on all 8 cylinders. I don't feel a miss though, like a full-blown miss. But I think we do need to get those 7 other plugs and coil packs in there. Let's get the heat on and turn on. I think I got to get my brakes checked. They're feeling a little bit low. When did we film that? Back in like June of 2020? When we put the shorts. Jeez Louise, come on. We gotta wait till the temperature gauge warms up. We got our traction controls working. Okay, we're pumping out some volts. Our oil pressure's good. We got almost a half a tank of gas. Temperature's coming up slow, but she's still cold right now. The motor sounds all right. Let me see what. I'm so paranoid. even if it starts sounding like a sewing machine and we're thinking maybe we need cam phasers, it's not going to matter because we're putting hot rod cams in it. So once they get all that apart, anything under there that needs to be upgraded or replaced or repaired or whatever is going to get taken care of. This motor has under 100,000 miles on it, which really isn't a lot when you're running synthetic oil and you're taking care of it. Ooh. All right. I'm hardly touching the pedal. It sounds louder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Need a short throw shifter. That was a little sticky going into third there. Okay, we're warmed up. Let's put the heat on. I'm afraid to jump on it. Doesn't feel a whole lot different right there. There it does. Whoa. Whoa. We're doing 100 miles an hour. Where the hell did that come from? The mid-range is really outrageous. Okay, we're warmed up now. All right, we'll take it back. We'll go back to Casper's, get you your car. Hey folks, so this is old Mustang. We picked it up from Casper's Corner. Ironically, Craig Sigafus, who drives a Camaro that I've yet to see go, but I'm sure it's super fast, was familiar with our situation. I'm not surprised. But anyway, the bottom line is we're going to sign off. We took it for a little run. We still got to break it in, get used to it, to really appreciate the difference, but you can feel the difference right away. So, what's the date today, Ann? November 22nd, 2021. All right, guys. We'll see you next weekend. We'll be filming. Well, we don't need to say when, but we'll be filming real soon. So, this is old Mustang. So long. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, that's it.